Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and in today's video, we'll be taking a look at my $6,000 portfolio that's up over $2,000 within the past 3 months. Now, the last time I showed you this portfolio, it was sitting at around $3,000 and it was only being used for dividend paying stocks. Since then, the portfolio has more than doubled and it is no longer being used for only dividend stocks. There's also a mix of other things in there. Just because this is the main account that I use to invest, this is the first year that I've had just a solid stocks only portfolio. So yeah, my account is still in its infancy. I want to get more in the future, but as of right now, you gotta start somewhere. So since the last video that I made on this account, we have deposited a little over $1,500 into this account, and on top of that, the account has also grown by more than $2,000 in profits since the last video. But I don't want to just sit here the whole video and talk. Let's hop into Thinkorswim and take a look at the growth of my portfolio. After I let you know that if you're interested in getting 4 free stocks, with 2 of them being valued anywhere up to $1,600, there is a referral link down below in the description for WEBULL, and when you use that referral link to sign up for an account and deposit $100, as long as you do that by the end of the month, those 4 free stocks are yours. Again, that referral link is down below in the description, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so here we are in my TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim portfolio. This is actually my Roth IRA. I actually started this at the beginning of 2020, so if there is anything good that we got out of 2020, it's the fact that I started my Roth IRA. But aside from that, let's take a look at my positions. Let's take a look at the growth overall. And also, if you have any good stock suggestions just to buy and hold, hey, drop them down below in the comments. I really appreciate that. Alright, so to start off, I want to start by looking at the balance of my portfolio. So if we take a look down here, you can see where it says P&L since open. That's basically how much I've gained since I've opened these positions. That's $1,386 on these positions. And then right here where it says overall totals, that is going to be the total amount of money that I've made on all the stocks that I'm in right now. So the main one that's not going to be included in this PL open, that's included in the overall total, is I did buy into Tesla, make some profits on it, sell out, and then I'm back in it again. So that probably accounts for about $700 of my overall profit on this. But other than that, I'm still holding everything that I purchased from the start, and yeah, that's how it's going. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into my positions. Alright, so to start off, I am holding 7 shares of Apple, and you'll also see a decimal there because I have the drip turned on, and that is just so I can collect dividends on that and it reinvests. So yeah, I bought an Apple at 114.93, currently up 1%, nothing big. I think we purchased that within the last month. So yeah, that's how we're doing with Apple. The next one we got is AbbeyBuy. It's actually a suggestion that I got from you guys back when this was just a dividend account. We're currently up $31.22 year to date on this account, or on this position, and we're up 10%. So that's pretty average for a year. So I really can't complain on that. And then going on after that, we have Jamia. This is more of a growth stock. Wanted to take my chances with it. Didn't really do like heavy research or anything. I know they have a lot of potential. This is supposedly the Amazon of Africa, opening up for outside sellers to sell on it. So that caused a lot of upward movement. So as of right now in that position, I'm up $114. And for the 5 stocks I'm holding, I didn't even pay that. So we're up pretty good. We're actually up 162% on that. That's what I call a home run. Any stock that I hit more than 100% on, call it a home run. And I think it looks like as of right now, I have about 2 home runs in this portfolio. But yeah, moving on to the next, Reality Income, ticker symbol O. As of right now, we are up $19.96 on the year with that. We have received some dividends. Some of that is dividends received, and then the rest is just gains. So we got in at an average price of $57 and is now trading for $61.69. So yeah, we're up a little bit. Only holding about 5 shares, and yeah, that's that. It's a monthly dividend, and I really love monthly dividends. So yeah, this is definitely one I favor. The next one we have is Palantir, or I don't know how to say it, but ticker symbol PLTR. I also bought 5 shares of that when I bought 5 shares of Jamia. They're both growth stocks that I plan on holding for a while. But yeah, we're doing really well on both of them. I actually bought Palantir, or however you say it, whenever they IPO'd in my WEBULL account. Don't have too many shares in my WEBULL account, but yeah, I got 2 shares for $9, and yeah, I'm doing well on those. So yeah, I just figured may as well buy it in this account too, because the ones in the WEBULL may not even be there forever. So yeah, I had to add it to the raw. I think there is plenty of growth to be had with that. And if we take a look, as of right now, I am up $63 on this position, and we're up 80%. Yeah, so again, bought that within the past 2 weeks. Amazing growth for that. Hopefully it holds over the time, over the long run. I think this is going to be really good. Going on to the next position, we have SPHD. We're up $55.75. Again, this is another one of those monthly dividends, because when I was doing dividends, monthly dividends was really something that kind of turned me on. Like seeing those, like seeing that I got a dividend every month, and yeah, they continue to please me. And then if we look, I'm up 10% on the year with those, and yeah, we got in for $33.66. Currently trading at $37.31. So yeah, really can't complain there. And then the next position, and the only one that we're down on, is going to be ticker symbol T, and this is AT&T. Again, another one of those dividend-paying stocks. They pay a nice dividend, so I have no regrets purchasing these shares because they'll easily pay off for themselves over time, and I'm pretty sure we'll be up on these at some point too. But as of right now, we're down $7.60 on 10 shares, and it's trading at $29.03, and we bought it in at $29.78, so it's not even that far off. We're chilling. And the next stock that I'm holding, I bought was intended for the dividend portfolio, but as of right now, it's more of a growth because they kind of cut their dividend, but I didn't want to not get it because I knew the price was going to go up. So right now, it is trading at $29 even, and I got in at 14, so yeah, that's one I'm pretty proud of. This is actually another one of my home runs, so yeah, I'm happy about that, and that's just going to get even sweeter if the dividend ever comes back on that. And yeah, since we bought into those 36 shares that we're holding, we are up $542. And then the next stock, and the one responsible for the most growth in my portfolio, is going to be Tesla. On the year, we are up $1,093 on this position. Currently holding 3 shares, and since I purchased these 3 shares, we are up $459.75. So hey, really can't complain. Hopefully Tesla keeps doing this thing. It's always a ride with Tesla. There will be its pullbacks, and there will definitely be its runs. So yeah, so yeah, can't complain there either. And then we just have 2 more stocks. So yeah, let's get to them. The next one is one that I feel is very slept on, and that's going to be Walmart. Right now, Walmart is trading $151.60. I'm currently up $64.18 on 7 shares. This is going to be another dividend stock. I haven't had it long enough to receive a dividend. I believe I bought it within the past month, but yeah, we are up $64 just within the past month, and overall we're up 6.27%. So definitely one of the weaker stocks in my portfolio right now. But when those dividends and when the growth that I think everyone is sleeping on comes in, yo, it's gonna be the move. All right, and then last but certainly not least, this is definitely more of a spec stock. Not to say that other stocks in my portfolio aren't speculative, but yeah, it's going to be Washington Prime Group, ticker symbol WPG. It's currently trading at $1.07. I bought in for 69 cents per share. I just grabbed 100 shares because I was like, yo, if this goes back up to its old prices and it gets that dividend back, it'll easily pay for itself. And if it doesn't work in my favor, then I just lost $69. So I'm cool with that. But what's crazy is they recently went public within the past few years, so they're still a rather new company, and they have a decent balance sheet. So I figured, just hold this, see what happens. That's exactly what this portfolio is about, growth. So this portfolio is not about the short term. is definitely about the long term. Right now, Matthew at age 23 is trying to set Matthew at age 59 is whenever you can start pulling from this and not get any tax hits. So I guess I'm trying to support 59-year-old Matthew right now from 23-year-old Matthew. So all the money in here is not going to be touched unless it's adding to it. And yeah, that's the beauty of a Roth. This is really the only portfolio I have right now that I would say is a solid stock portfolio. It's definitely not the biggest, but it's my baby, so I'm happy with it. If you have any questions or comments or any good stock recommendations, hey, drop them down below in the comments. I really appreciate that. Also, please be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to support the channel, and I really appreciate it as well. And if for some reason you're new here and you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace!